on, everybody? I was working on a project for this week's video and we went on vacation. I wasn't able to get it done in time. I'm still working on it. It should come out this coming week, even though today, I guess, is Sunday, or you're seeing this Monday, and it probably should have already been this week. Anyways, I'll have a video at the end this coming weekend. But during the process of shooting this, I was thinking about my camera gear and whatever, which I just use my iPhone, a cheap tripod. And so you got to come up with different ideas and different ways to make interesting shots in your videos. So I kind of wanted to show you what I have done to get a moving shot. So I'll show you my little setup and then I'll show you the clip. So I just wanted to show you that it's easy to make videos and you don't need fancy gear or fancy things. You can kind of get by with what you have. So let me know what you think. I have kids, and since we're technically in the process of moving still, I guess we haven't built our house. I have their bikes, so I attached a like cheap mount with that I put my phone on, and then I have a string that's attached to this, and I run it all the way over here to a drill that's attached to a workbench. 2 pieces of little plywood that I had left over from the Connect 4 build, and then I just super glue the line on there, and then I use the zip tie to go around it and just barely tighten it, and then my drill's turned down too low, and then I just barely push the button and it rolls. And it's not super, it's a little shaky, but it's not super terrible.
So as you can see, it's not that shaky. The key to this is to make sure you have the drill as slow as possible. So here's a tip within the tip. If you do this, make sure that you do not see the drill in the shot.
So guys, I hope you like this little video. Let me know if you like the little tip videos. I might post more rather than just one larger build every week. I might could squeeze in a smaller tip or something like this ever so often if that's something you like. Let me know. Click that thumbs up button if you like this video. Think about subscribing if you haven't already so you can see what I was making in this little clip. So if you want to see what it is, it's pretty interesting. It's very gadgety, I guess you could say, a shop project. So if you want to see what it is, think about subscribing so you don't miss out. But thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.